यो हो कार्यक्रम अनलाइन पाठशाला। अब पढ्नेछन् सबैले।
Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Tara Kafle from Kausadi Novel Academy, and we are here to discuss the topic social norms and values, which is effective for class 5, 6 and 7. So, what is social norms and values? Social norms refers to the behavior and attitude which considered normal in the society, whereas values are those things that people consider important to them. It means social norms refers to the attitude and behavior of a people for the society, whereas values are those things that people considered importance to them. Now, these are the things that includes under those comes under the social norms and values. Number 1, it is religious ritual. Number 2, it is social tradition. Number 3, it is caste related tradition and rituals. Number 4, it is respect to the nation, and number 5, it is flock culture. So first of all, what is religious rituals means? As we all know that our country is multi-religious country, similarly it is multi-religious too. It has different religions including Brahman, Christian, Islam, etc. and so on. Brahman people, they worship to the god, goddess, and they read the holy book like Mahabharata, Ramayana, and similarly Christian people, they worship to the Jesus Christ and they read the book, the Holy Bible. Next, it is social tradition. What is social tradition? It is a practice that people follow from generation to generation. For example, our forefathers, they used to what they used to do at their time, even the same we are following. Like they used to do the Bartamanda since at their time, and still that tradition is going on. Next, it is baby naming ceremony after the birth of a baby from 11 days. It is still that tradition is still running the same in our society. So next, it is caste related tradition and rituals. What is caste related tradition rituals? As we have already discussed on both the topic that our country is multi-religious, similarly it is multi-caste too. It has 125 caste and 123 languages like Gurung, Magar, Baun, Chetri and etc. so on. They have their own traditions of way of celebrating their festivals. Caste related traditions and ritual. As we have already discussed on both the topic that our country is multi-religious, similarly it is multi-caste. It has all total 125 caste and 123 languages. Although there are different caste and languages, but all are treated equally in their own way. For example, if we are talking about caste, then let's talk about Brahman. Brahman people, they give the baby after the baby born, they give the naming ceremony of a baby after the born of 11 days. Like in Magar caste, they do the baby naming ceremony between 11 to 15 days. It means they are staying in same society, their way of treating tradition is different, but still their caste is similar. Sorry, it is different. Next, it is respect to the nation. Respect to the nation itself, it is clear that what we can do for our nation. Next, it is respect to the nation. Although we have already discussed Nepal is multi-religious, multi-trade, multicultural, being all in the community, in society, but still respect to the nation is same. We people, we work for the welfare and the integration of the nation. Itself, it is clear like being multicultural, multi-religious, although being multi in every aspects, but we are unity in same community for the welfare of the nation. Lastly, it is flock culture. Flock culture itself, it is clear that it includes musical instruments, flock songs, flock dance. Flock culture means a group of people living in a society or a community and having some entertainments. For example, flock songs. Flock song includes Deusi, Bhailo, and flock dance, it includes Deura Nach, Dhan Nach, and flock instrument, it includes Madal, Khaizeri, etc. and so on. So, by discussing all these topics by discussing all these points, we can come to the end by saying that everything is this situation is interrelated to each other according to the society and community. So we are at the end of our chapter, but before wrapping up the chapter, I would like to give you some assignment, and your assignment is which religion do you follow and which festival do you love the most? Please describe it. So thank you and have a good day. Stay home, stay safe.
यो हो कार्यक्रम अनलाइन पाठशाला। अब पढ्ने छन् सबैले।